Hello mga dear! Now, let's change scientific notation to standard form. May mga bagay ka na kailangan mong tandaan. Una, titignan mo ang kanilang mga exponent. Kapag ka ang exponent ng given scientific notation ay positive, you're going to move to the right. At kapag ka ang exponent niya ay negative, ang movement ng decimal mo is to the left. So let's try. So we have 7.9. Okay, since the exponent for number 1 is positive 5, you're going to move the decimal point 5 times to the right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And syempre, lalagyan mo lang siya dyan ng 0. So 7.9 times 10 raised to the power 5 is equal to 790,000. Example number 2. 7.9 times 10 raised to the power of negative 5. So first, kokopihin mo lang ang value ng a mo, which is 7.9. Next, titignan mo ang value ng exponent. Since this is negative, you are going to move the decimal point to the left 5 times. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, put zeros here. And the answer for this one is 0.000079. So, madali lang, di ba?